Okay, so they was kind enough, Duvolle, I hope I'm saying that right, was kind enough to send me this spin brush to review for you guys, which I love, by the way. I've been trying it out for a week now on my skincare routine, and I absolutely love it. My skin comes out nice and glowing. Not right now. Comes out nice and glowing and soft and smooth, and it just a dream come true. Okay, so that I showed you guys the packaging, and this is what the spin brush looks like. And it is rechargeable, and it has batteries. Well, it's not rechargeable, but it has batteries. So you will open it right here at the bottom, and then you will put the batteries in, and then it has a power switch on and off right here. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's so bright, but there is an on and off switch. Let me show you guys the brush attachments. Okay, so this brush is the large body cleansing brush. This one right here. And as you would wash your whole body with it. Then you have the pumice stone for those of y'all with cracky feet. You know, you want to get the rough skin off your feet. It's summertime. Y'all want to wear them heels, them flip-flops. This is the pumice stone brush. And you use that on your feet. Then we have, let me get it out. We have this brush right here. This is the facial cleansing brush. And this is just to clean your skin. Gets all up on there. And then we have this brush right here, which is the exfoliator brush. So yeah, that is the brush. This is the spin brush. This is what I use for my skincare routine, and y'all will see in a minute what products I use to get my glowing skin, because everything before you even put on makeup, the first thing that is important is having a nice clean surface and base to work on, so the oils won't peek through. And this actually helps my oily skin and my acne prone skin and the little dark spots that I have. We're going to do an update because we're getting rid of these bad boys. These acne scars that I have, they're going to be gone. By the end of the summer, they're going to be gone. Well, before the summer, they're going to be gone, okay? So, yeah, if you want to see my skincare routine and what products I use, stay tuned. So that is my skincare routine, y'all, with my new skincare products. Not mine, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them because I found them on Instagram and I've been using them for about a week now. So this is my updated skincare routine for 2019. So it is the Minimo Skin Essentials. Okay, and I'm gonna say what this is. Minimo Skincare Essentials was founded based on a deep obsession with the power and value of the genuine natural ingredients and how they can do wonders for the skin. She began researching skincare solutions from natural ingredients in effort to solve her own personal skin issues, and the questionable ingredients of products available at the time did not sit well with her. I knew that there had to be a better way. After spending the summer abroad in India, I became a student of something medicine, it starts with an A, and began developing natural skincare options. I personally hope that you are excited as I am about natural skincare. We are happy to meet your needs at Minimo Skincare Essentials. Please share on Instagram, Facebook. Can't wait to hear from you. So I brought this with my own coins, y'all. It was $66, but they had their three-year birthday, so they had a sale going on, so I got it for $61. And inside it comes with the Minimal Deja Acne Control Facial Serum. And this is it's an all-natural acne fighting botanical that keeps skin clean and clear while encouraging speedy healing and recovery of existing breakouts. So that's the first thing I got. And this all came in a bundle for $66, y'all. So, and they have the Glow Skin Brightening Facial Scrub, which gently buffs away dead skin cells while evening out skin tone for a bright, youthful appearance. You will use this for hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, lightening of dark scars from acne, and it is specially formulated for sensitive skin. For those of y'all who have sensitive skin, boom bam. They also have the Honeydew Hydrating Daily Moisturizer with matcha green tea, babasu butter, bilberry fruit extract. I'm sorry if I'm butchering these, y'all. And this is non-oily moisturizer that smooths dry skin and helps face supple to the touch. Easily absorbable formula is specially crafted to fight acne causing bacteria and contains a specialty blend of fruit botanicals that balances the skin's natural oil production. So that is what that looks like, and I will have all the links down below. And for my nighttime routine, I will do the same thing but not use this. I would use the Minimo Flawless Charcoal Acne Fighting Facial Scrub. It looks like this. It is a charcoal scrub, and this is a facial scrub. It's rich exfoliant blends of activated charcoal and nourishing botanical extracts that help stop acne in its tracks while encouraging the prevention of future breakouts. So this is the nighttime, so I'll use this, then I will use the facial serum, then I will use the moisturizer. In the daytime, I will use the Glow one, the facial serum, and then the moisturizer. And then I would go in with a Dead Sea Mineral Mask. I usually use this on Wednesdays, so you're only supposed to use it once a week. And it's an intensive at-home spa detox that minimizes pores while purging toxins from your skin. A proprietary blend of 4 powerful clays gently removes dead skin tissue while uncovering bright, youthful looking skin. So you're supposed to leave this on for about 15-20 minutes. Normal scrub. Well, it's not normal. And it feels amazing on the skin. And with all of that, for the scrubs, I use my Duvolle spin brush, as y'all can see. My Duvolle spin brush. Love it, by the way. This really massages and get up in those crevices, in those pores, and all that good jazz, so you can have a nice, healthy, glowing skin. So thank you, Duvolle, for sending me this spin brush, because I really do like it. I will have the links to everything that I listed down below. So yeah, if you're interested, make sure you check out those links. Make sure you follow me on my Facebook and my Instagram, and especially here on YouTube. Thank you, Duvolle, once again for sending me this brush. I really do appreciate it. I really do love it. I've been using it non-stop. non-stop, y'all. Non-stop. So that's to show y'all that I love it. Links will be down below. Make sure you check it out. Yeah. And for y'all, my Glam Doll gang, make sure y'all check out that spin brush link. They have a 70% off coupon. Yes, if you use this code right here, right now, it will give you 70% off. So use that code. The spin brush will be $28.50. Shipping is amazing. It came in about 3 to 7 days, I would say. Not long at all. So you won't be waiting like a whole month or whatever the case may be. It's only going to take 3 to 7 business days. Use the code Ashter and you save 70% off, making it $28.50. Okay? So I can't express enough how grateful, how happy I am that I got this brush to use on my face. As y'all can see, I'm glowing already. I'm glowing. So thank you, Duvolle. I really do appreciate it. And if y'all want an updated video on how the skincare works, skincare products work, just let me know down below. I love y'all guys, and as always, stay glam.